Welcome to Burke's channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Yeah.
Today we're making a snowman. I'm gonna show you how strong I am, guys. Okay. Wow, that went down. Wow, that went down like both of my jackets. It's kind of bad. Gotta punch it. That's actually not what you should do.
What do you think?
Good. Okay, where's the hat? There's the hat. Forwards looks good. Should we do it like forwards, like this, or like that? This is a Burke Snowman. Feel free to make it your own. How do you want it? We're gonna have to put with hat. Ooh ah ba boo ba boo. Ooh ah ba boo ba boo. Ooh ba ba boo ba boo. Ooh ba.
Uh-oh.